Welcome back. In this video, I want to put up some content into the welcome page so that whoever come into the chatbot, the first message the person is going to receive is the content that is going to be right here. And I've written it up, and here it is. As you can see, I put up a typing card that the bot should type for 4 seconds, and then this content is going to be displayed to the user. It says good morning Jamu. Right here it's almost 1 a.m. here, so that is why I'm using good morning. And later in one of the videos we are going to automate the display of the time of the day. If the user is in the morning, or the user is in the afternoon, or the user is in the evening, the bot is going to display that automatically. So then secondly, the bot says welcome to Regina Suites Hotel, and then we are going to display the logo of the company. Then we'll give out the value proposition of the company, and then give some options to the user so that the user can continue with the chatbot. So I'm going to break down this place, and then I'm going to copy it out like this, and you can have another typing card if you like, but it's not compulsory. Then over here we can have the logo of the company, and I'm going to come over here and select image. Then you can upload the logo by clicking on this icon. So I'm going to go back to the home page and select the logo, the demo logo we are going to use for the logo of the company. As you can see, the logo is now displaying. Then next is the value proposition of the company. I can help you book a room, answer your questions, order for any of our services, and lots more. Are you around the hotel? So right after this moment, we have two buttons, which one is going to say yes and the other one is going to say no. The yes button is going to lead to another page, and the no button is going to lead to a different page, which we are going to set up very soon in one of the coming videos. At the moment, I would love that it's removed from the main messages, and I'll go up, is there any problem, so that I can correct them. So after setting this up, you can now test the chatbot. So if you want to test, you just go over to this m.me link, and the bot is going to lead you to Messenger, and all the messages we've set up earlier in the welcome page is going to be displayed inside the chatbot. As usual, if you are interacting with the bot for the first time, you will need to click on this get started button in order to start getting the messages within the chatbot. As you can see, the bot is typing for 4 seconds. This is the logo, and then this is the value proposition of Regina Suite, and then this is the call to action, which we are going to continue in the next video. This is how to set up your chatbot welcome page. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and let's proceed to the next video.